if you're a plant person like me, I always get excited to see the new introductions. But this year, we thought it would be interesting to look back on 2025 and look at the items that performed the best in the garden. Most of you are aware we had an extremely wet spring followed by an extremely hot summer. So here we are in mid-August, and we want to see what looks the best, what is still going strong. So next year, if you want something in your garden that goes all season long, you'll be able to pick one of these plants and it will perform just as well for you. This is a Sun-Patient called Purple Candy. It is in a aqua pot, so it is getting plenty of water. It's also on a drip system, so it's getting water every day. The key with Sun-Patients, though, is while they are considered a heat-tolerant plant, and they are not drought-resistant. So to keep them performing at their top capacity, you've got to give them plenty of water. But if you give them what they need as far as moisture, they will bloom all summer long, and they will take everything that the summer can throw at it. We're continuing our look of the 2025 annuals that performed the best in our garden this year. Here we find the Surefire Red Begonia by Proven Winners. This has been one of the most drought-resistant and heavily blooming plants that I've had in my garden. This one is the red variety. There is also a pink and a white as well as a dark leaf version. And coming next year, there is actually a trailing version of this. So if you want to match your hanging baskets and make them match your landscape, there'll be a plant for that too. This is a very well-known annual known as Coleus. Many people probably recognize that. They've got it in their own gardens. This is a variety called Lime Time from Proven Winners. The good thing about the Proven Winners varieties is they tend not to send up as many seed stalks or the bloom stalks as you see here like on a lot of other plants. But the one good thing about it is when it does send up the seed stalks and the bloom stalks, pollinators love it. You'll see here just the number of bees that are flying around. They absolutely love this plant. Give this plant a little bit of fertilizer, a little bit of water, and this plant will perform well all summer long for you. This is one that most people are familiar with by now. It is the Supertunia by Proven Winners. Here we have a combo that is mixed with the Supertunia Tiara Pink as well as the Saffron Finch. This is a beautiful combo. Supertunias typically do very well through the summer, and here in a container it has done absolutely amazing. The key to making your Supertunias perform well is keeping them watered well and fertilized extremely heavily. I like to use the Proven Winner water-soluble fertilizer simply for the reason it has iron in it, which is what Supertunias desire the most. That helps keep their leaves lush and green. This one is a little intimidating for a lot of people because it looks like it's a delicate plant, but it's really not. This is a caladium, and there are caladiums now. For years they were considered a shade plant, but now there are some that will take full sun. This one is a variety called Lemon Blush that will take some morning sun, but does need some afternoon shade. Give it plenty of water in the summer, and it will do great. The only thing you have to be careful about is they don't like cool weather, so you don't want to plant them extremely early. But as you can see in this plant, this thing has took off with the heat that we've just experienced. And if you really want to make it pop, pair it with a microcar container like we have it planted in here, and also maybe work in a outdoor bench and one of our outdoor pillows to make a nice setting.